Hello. Welcome to the most important video that you need to crack your class 10th boards. Now I trust you guys. I know that you haven't made a formula sheet yet, despite me telling you again and again. So have you or have you not? Now, if you have not, or if you have, stay for the revision. If you have not, this is the cheat sheet for you. It will consist all the formulas that you need to top for your class 10th boards for numericals, because we know physics numericals are really crazy and scary, right? So, are you ready to top your class 10th boards through this one most important video? Let's start. Okay, so we'll see 4 chapters, and we know the first 2 chapters are highly numerical based. These are highly numerical based. These are electricity and light, highly numerical based. So of course your brains need to remember all the formulas, all the sign conventions very carefully, right? And that is why I have been telling you, and I tell you again today, this is the cheat sheet. This is the formula sheet. Take a printout, get the screenshot, take a printout and paste it in front of your desk. I guarantee you will come back and you'll tell me that, ma'am, this is the ultimate hack you told me, right? So let's start with the very first, that is electricity. Important formulas with units. Nobody is giving you units, right? With units, a proper table here. Let's start with the very basic Ohm's law. In Ohm's law, before that, we have a very important formula, that is Q equals to IT. That is my charge, whose unit is Coulomb, and then V equals to IR, which will take us to potential difference. Now, unit of charge is Coulomb and current is Ampere, right? Now, moving on to then potential difference. Potential difference simply V equals to work done per unit charge, right? And its unit is volt. Then I'm moving on to electric power, very important topic for your numericals, that has P equals to V square by R equals to I square into R equals to V into Y, potential difference into current, right? And its unit is watt, because watt lagane wale hain hum physics ki is bari. Okay. Then electric energy, that is power into time, and hence its unit is kilowatt hour, right? Then heat energy, H equals to I square RT V square R by T. You can revise it by singing it. That's how I did it. I don't know why. Okay, and its unit is equal to that of work done, that is joule, right? Moving on to resistivity. Before that, let's see, resistance is R equals to rho L by A. Now its unit is very easy. We know that is ohm. Okay, and resistivity, the formula is reverse. You can just reverse this formula. Rho equals to RA by L, and its unit is ohm meter, right? Moving on, we just have very important formula of your class 10th boards electricity chapter, the most important, because one conceptual question, one numerical will definitely come from this topic, right? That is combination of resistors. So resistors can be combined into either series or parallel. In series, resistance is just add. In parallel, we have this formula, right? Look at it very carefully. Then very important point other than the formula is, in series what remains the same? Current remains the same, and in parallel voltage remains the same. Different is then voltage in series and current in parallel. Now ma'am, how to remember this? Oh, I have this for you. SI unit, we have all studied it, SI unit. So remember, SI unit, that means S means series, I means current. S means series and I means current. That means in series current remains same, and then just inverse the concept. In parallel voltage remains same. Understood now? Okay, moving on to the next, that is my light chapter, which has 2-3 very important formulas, starting with mirror formula. Okay, mirror formula, that is 1 by F, that is 1 by focal length equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U, 1 by image distance plus 1 by object distance. Length formula, nothing, sub same hai, everything is same, instead of just this sign. Here it was 1 by V plus 1 by U, here it is 1 by V minus 1 by U, correct? Okay, then we move on to magnification formula. Basic formula is height of image divided by height of object, but I have very interesting thing for you, that is this table. Now the actual formula for mirror is minus what? Minus V by U, correct? Where V is image distance, U is object distance. Now if this magnification is positive, the image is virtual and erect, right? If magnification is negative, the image is real and inverted. Understood? Moving on to the lens. Lens has, now here it was minus V by U. In case of lens, it is plus V by U. Samajh aayi? Then sign is positive, the image is virtual and erect. Sign is negative, image is real and inverted. Understood? One formula, main formula left is refractive index. Refractive index, how you write? N21 equals to N2 divided by N1. Ma'am, there are lots of formulas. Let me write it for you. Now, its relation with velocity is V1 by V2. Correct? And then in case of angles is sin I divided by sin R. Understood? Very clear? I think we are done with light chapter. Oh, but I have bonus tip for you. What is it, ma'am? Bonus tip is I bring all the sign conventions for you. This is the case of concave mirror. We have 6 cases. For first 5 cases, U is negative, we know that. V is negative, we know that because image is real and inverted. And height of image is also negative because it forms downside on the below side of the principal axis. Then in 6th case, everything is same, but V is positive and HI is positive. Correct? Then sign conventions for convex mirror, we have 2 cases. For both, we know always the image is virtual and erect, That is why U is always negative. We know that. V positive, HI positive, again U always negative, V positive, HI positive. Correct? Moving on, we have convex lens. Now for convex lens, these are your sign conventions. You have everything. Object position, image position, then what will be the size of the image, what will be the nature of the image, and the sign conventions. I have given you every single thing. Just print this out and stick it in front of your wall. Okay, and if you like to study and like to sleep a lot, stick it on your roof. I don't care. Stick it in front of you. You will thank me, Baba. I am telling you. Okay? Okay. Sign conventions, U always negative. V for the first 5 cases is positive because image is real and inverted. But in 6th case, V is negative because image is virtual and erect. Then moving on to concave lens, just 2 cases similar to convex mirror. U is negative, V is also negative, HI is positive. U negative, V negative, HI is positive. These are the only cheat sheets. That's why we are calling this cheat sheet. Okay? Okay. Then we have important topics. Now, I didn't just bring you important formulas. I am Aditi Ma'am. I will always give you one extra thing that will make you a topper in your class 10th boards. I just don't say it. So, important topics that are for factors affecting the magnetic field due to different kinds of conductors, right? So, the first we have straight conductor, the wire we had, right? If the current is upwards in the wire, direction here, magnetic field will be in concentric circles. Okay, and downwards we'll use right hand thumb rule and we'll see if it is going out or going in, right? Then we come to closed loop. Inside closed loop. If the current is clockwise, inside the loop, here, inside the loop, the magnetic field will be inwards. And if the current is anti-clockwise, the direction of magnetic field inside the loop will be outwards. Okay? Then solenoid, inside the solenoid, here don't see the current direction, just inside the solenoid the magnetic field goes from south to north just like a bar magnet. Outside the solenoid the magnetic field goes from north to south just like a normal bar magnet. Okay, then these are the factors on which this is very important. This is the most important topic, one of the most important topic of this what do you say chapter, magnetic effects of electric current. Okay, so for straight conductor we know with current magnetic field increases and with distance it decreases. Again with current it increases and with radius of loop this is 1 by, right? So it is inversely proportional to radius of loop and inversely proportional to distance from the loop. Okay, then again directly proportional to current for solenoid, directly proportional to number of turns, the number of turns of insulated copper wire, right? The more the number of turns, the more will be the strength of magnetic field, right? Then 1 by distance from solenoid. As you go far from solenoid, the strength of magnetic field decreases. Okay, understood? Then we have one last formula from human eye, that is power of lens, right? Power of lens is what? Just 1 by focal length of the lens. But this focal length should always be in meter. Whenever you are calculating power of a lens, the focal length should always be in meters, right? Then only you can write the SI unit of power as diopter. Okay, and if the power is positive, it is a convex lens. If the power is negative, it is a concave lens. Okay, I think we are done in just 12 minutes. We have seen all the formulas, all the important topics along with sign conventions, along with SI units in just chotu sa video. So now you guys tell me in the comment section that did you paste it on your walls or not. I want to know. In the comment section I will definitely keep a track who pasted it in front of their study desk or not. Okay, I will keep bringing so many much more videos for you so that my kids will top class 10th boards, right? Okay, till then, tada bye bye.